I'm using the Panasonic F1.5 50mm. Can you really vlog with the 50mm? First, I am holding the camera with two hands, as the guy Gordon from the CameraLabs hold. Can you see? Yeah. Can you see me in the mirror? Yeah. So I'm just trying to hold the camera with two hands. So I'm just trying to do. Yeah. So can you do the vlogging? I'm using on the EPL 9 axis stabilizer. Can you do vlogging with Panasonic 50mm? If I just use one hand, as you can see, it become wide. With my second hand, it's become wide. So it become wide. So with one hand, the vlogging will be like this, but your hand will become tired. The camera 400 gram plus 100 gram lens, around 120, so around 520 grams. So now I'm using two hands, one hand, two hand. So two hand, the field of view become narrow. But the real question is that can you really do vlogging? Yeah, can you really do vlogging or not? I think so. You can easily do. I'm just looking at my backpack. I really don't want someone to steal my backpack. Why my English is becoming very bad? Because I'm in Hong Kong. Everything is becoming bad here. So now let's go with two hand again. So yeah, let me just lower the exposure. Okay, let me just lower the exposure. So how good is now? Minus 1.5. I'm totally blown up. I think this one is better. Around like 0 is better. What do you think? So yeah, can you vlog? Definitely yes. If you're using one hand, you can easily vlog. Overall, I'm really liking it. I mean, the 50mm lens is really amazing, to be honest with you. Yeah, I mean, overall it's quite good. Overall this is quite good. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.